Hi everybody, welcome to complimentary dinner and then later lunch at Chibang on the Carnival Jubilee. These are from our Jubilee cruise in the summer of 2026. Chibang is also available on the Carnival Mardi Gras and Celebration. It's definitely interesting how you can order Chinese and Mexican flavors at the same table. We tried quite a few dishes and you'll see which ones I gave 5 stars to. Here is the menu. Note that you can eat here for dinner one time for free, though if you want to come back, subsequent visits are just $8 per person. There are also some extra cost items on the menu, but most are free, and you can order as many appetizers and desserts as you like, and up to 2 main entrees.
They did a good job in these Hakka noodles. Really good flavor and not too salty, not too oily. There's eggs and veggies. Yeah, very good sighting. Pork belly. It's a very good flavor. The skin is very crispy. And it's a nice seasoning too. Yeah, it has a Chinese chow chow barbecue sauce flavor. It's a really good appetizer. Very porky though. This shrimp taco was really good. Not too heavy-handed with the flavoring, the sauce. You add these guacamole, sour cream, and then the salsa. It has a little bit of a kick, but not too strong. So really good. Even better was the beef. The beef was stewed really well, really tender and very beefy. Nice Mexican umami flavor. Not sure how else to describe it. Lots of spices. This fried fish dish, very good. With the little dipping sauce. It's kind of like a creamy, refreshing sauce. And it's fried really well, but inside is not very flaky. It's almost like those fish stick flavor inside, texture I mean. So yeah, outside has a very nice texture. Inside, not as much. A little bit mushy. This compound chicken is definitely not lacking in flavor. It is a little bit on the salty side. And the portion size is not very big. This mapo tofu, the portion is also pretty small. The sauce is good. It does have a little bit of a kick. The scallions adds a nice flavor to it. It's a good dish, but yeah, the portions is just pretty small. This mole chicken is definitely very interesting. The mole is very complex. You can definitely taste the chocolate and all the spices. Only thing is, seems a little sweet, but not too sweet. So that was a little interesting. The chicken though is very tender, so it just falls right off the bone. I think it's a good mole chicken, and the portion definitely generous. Big piece of chicken. This Tres Leches, the coconut, is really good. Very creamy, lots of coconut flavor, and you can even taste the bits of coconut. And yeah, not too sweet, very enjoyable. This chocolate cake is very dense, and yeah, definitely has a very strong cocoa flavor, and goes well with the ice cream. A little bit bitter, And yeah, not too sweet. This one tastes kind of like, looks kind of like creme brulee, but it actually has a pretty strong mandarin orange flavor. Very creamy inside, but you're not gonna see that that crunchy sheet of sugar on the outside. Just a little bit of a caramelization of sugar. But yeah, it's a good dessert. Tasty, especially if you like citrus flavor.
Now for lunch. Chibang keeps it casual with build your own noodle and burrito bowls. Like dinner, this is also free, but it's only available on C days. Check out the menu and then the dishes I tried.
These chopsticks are kind of interesting. You can use them on either end. This steak stir fry is actually very good. The noodles are very doughy, so a lot of texture in the noodles. Steaks are nice and smoky, good kind of like a soy sauce flavor. It mentioned that it was spicy, but not really. And also the portion's not very big, so if you're just ordering this one, you might want to order two or another dish. This noodle soup, it does grow on you, this soup. The more you eat it, the more you taste the flavor of the coconut broth. So it's a little bit like tom yum, just not as sour. And it does have a little bit of a kick. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. This churro dessert, it doesn't look like a churro, but tastes exactly like a churro. Oh, nice and warm. Goes perfectly with that cold ice cream. Really good.
Overall, Chibang on the Carnival Jubilee was quite the treat. From free lunch bowls to tasty fusion dinners, it's something you should try if you cruise on one of Carnival's newest ships. Let me know what you want to try in the comments and subscribe for more cruise eats. Happy cruising!